So today we're going to start off right inside of the liquefy tool, and if you notice, if I drag and drop like a normal liquefy, it's going to warp his head. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to block that off. What I'm doing now is I'm masking off his face. I just want to warp his hair, not any of his features or anything. And now I'm using that push tool, and I'm going to push the hair down and try to make it look natural. Once I've got the basic shape, what I'll do is I'll kind of go in and erase the mask and kind of do some finer detailing. Here we have our before and after, and that's quite the dramatic difference, but you will see that there's still some flyaways, there's still some inconsistencies in the hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in and I'm going to use either the patch tool or I'm going to use the stamp tool, and I'm going to go ahead and fix those little hairs. One thing to note is that if you get really close into the hair with the patch tool, you're going to actually drag that color and it's going to kind of bleed into the image. So this is where the stamp tool, the stamp cloning tool would be best used. So I'm just going over and I'm doing very light passes at a low opacity and just kind of trying to blend it in. And for the most part, that's it, guys. I mean, if you've got unruly hair, that's how I fix it in Photoshop. That's it. All right. I hope you learned something new, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.